We made it to New Mexico, and it is a couple days before Christmas, and I think it's almost 80 degrees here. Yes, I am wearing a hat because it's super windy and hurts my ears. So this is a little park that I found in my travels last year. It is in New Mexico, just off the 40, and it has free overnight parking. Sometimes the bathrooms are open. I'll have to check and see. But anyway, yeah, it's a nice little place to stop and rest your weary bones on the road. It's the road to nowhere, Josie Bell. The road to nowhere. Bus tucked in between the junipers over here. Nice little wind block. I love these junipers. They smell so good. My first tiny house was named Juniper. Beautiful morning. Yes, let's get all ready and go. Let's go show. The sky, everything is pink. Look at this. Just gorgeous. If there's one place on earth that I just absolutely love, it is New Mexico. Stunning morning. Thinking about taking a little trip up to Taos. Now, I wouldn't normally go this time of year, but it's a heat wave. And there's hot springs on the way that I think I'm going to go check out. You guys ready? Come on. Oh, look, we got rainbows. Oh, we got pretty rainbows. All right, come on. Everybody load up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go bye-bye. Hop up. Come on. Good girl. Come on, Mala. No, you're not riding up here. Oh, get a drink. Yep, get a drink. Did you want me to put more water in there? Okay. So we're getting ready to take off. We're heading to Montezuma, New Mexico to check out the hot springs. So let's get going. So this is my stowed to go mode. And I will say it has taken a lot of time to kind of figure out how to make this work so that it's easy to just stop and make a cup of coffee or some lunch. So this seems to work. What really seems to work is less stuff. I'm kind of traveling with extra stuff right now because it is the holidays and I have some things on board that I am carrying for other people. So that's how I do it. When I first started out, I had so much stuff in here that I couldn't even move. Right, Moa? This is so much better. Sometimes they have their bed open wide like this, and sometimes they have their bed with their beds in it. There's my snacks for the road. Josie likes to sleep close. And I got one more stop to make. We're going to take a little ride along Historic Route 66 today. But first we got to stop off here at the post office to mail a very important message to a friend. He's my travel companion for the past 2 years, Tom, and he's not out on the road this year. So I'm going to mail this right from the corner of New Mexico and Route 66.
We can get away for a couple of days or even just an afternoon. They be looking up and we'll be looking down. We can wave to the people in my hometown now. Come on, baby, let's fly up to the moon. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time. There ain't no place I'd rather go. You're fun to little critter and I love you so. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Yeah, I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind.
Everybody has left the tub, so it's just me. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to give you a good view. Here we go. Look at this. There's 3 tubs. I have the whole place to myself. Isn't that crazy? Wow. So here we are. Montezuma Hot Springs, New Mexico. All by myself. Some things are just priceless. Happy solstice. Kind of a chilly morning. It's warming up quick though. I got the diesel heater running just for a little bit, just to take the chill off. Molly and I like it warm. Josie doesn't care. The girls still have their hoodies on because when we went out early this morning, it was really cold and they just wanted to go right back to sleep. So we left hoodies on, didn't we? But look who's awake. Look who's awake. You awake and ready for the day? We're going to Taos, New Mexico today. One of my very favorite places. Ready? You trying out the spot? A few more minutes. Josie's a good little traveler. Earthships. Look at that. Look at these. There's like, they just go on and on and on. And on and on. I just feel like I landed in Oz. There's hundreds of them. I didn't know. I thought they were like little communities, couple here, couple there. Hundreds of these Earthships built into the berms. I gotta know more about this.